When searching for the best keyboard piano, several factors should be considered to ensure the instrument suits your needs. A top quality keyboard should offer a realistic feel resembling that of an acoustic piano. The key action is essential as it determines how the keys respond to touch. Weighted keys, which simulate the resistance of a traditional piano, provide a more authentic playing experience. I've been playing for years. Trust me, it's the best. Sound quality is another crucial aspect. High-quality keyboards feature a range of voices and tones that capture the essence of a grand piano or other instruments. Now, many modern keyboards also incorporate advanced sound sampling techniques to ensure the sounds are rich and lifelike. Now, portability and ease of use are often important, for many musicians. Lightweight, compact designs make it easier to transport, while intuitive interfaces and built-in learning tools can help beginners progress quickly. So additional features, such as a variety of connectivity options like the Bluetooth or USB, allow you to expand your creative possibilities. Many keyboards also come with integrated effects, recording capabilities, and teaching aids, enhancing both practice and performance. All right? Ultimately, the best keyboard piano is one that balances performance, versatility, and ease of use, offering musicians the tools that they need to create and enjoy music to its fullest.